Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be sharing a few room decor ideas. For the first one, take some Fevicol and water. Mix it together really well. Now add different colors. Now take a lid of a paint box and pour the mixtures which we just created on the lid very randomly. Also, move the lid to create a pattern. Also, add glitter. This would just intensify the galaxy look which we're looking forward to. Now, let this dry for about 24 hours, and once that's done, poke a hole in the center of the lid. Now attach the clock machine on the lid. Also, paint the sides of the lid to make it look a little more cleaner. And the galaxy clock is ready. For the second DIY, take some cement and water. Mix it well. Now, take a transparent glass and pour the mixture into it. Now take another smaller transparent glass and fix it in the center of the bigger glass, as shown. After about 8 hours, detach the glasses and the cement glass would be ready. Now to make it a little more better, all we have to do is make a flower with the foam sheet. Now just add that flower on the glass. For the last DIY, draw or print a design on a thick sheet and with the help of a safety pin, poke some holes on the sheet. Now, make a cylinder. Now, to cover the top of the lamp, Fix a piece of cardboard on the top of the lamp. Now, once that's done, add some fairy lights and the lamp would be ready.